This is Tanvir Kazmi with my news channel, See the World Through. Again, I'm here for a very few minutes discussion on a very important news, which is first kind of this ever universe was made. That British police launch first investigation into virtual rape in metaverse. That's a video game. The case was complained by a young girl who was under 16, and she said to have been left traumatized after her avatar, her personalized digital character, was sexually attacked by a group of online strangers. That means the boys, or younger or men's. Very strange case, and police definitely hesitating to investigate, but they have people are pressurizing them that why it's happened. For me, it was very eye-opening. That where are we going? What exactly are we going? Are we not creating fear into society? Our sister, our daughters, our young girls, as we always, all three holy book commanding you that you are an asset, you are a diamond. Your job is to cover yourself and marry as soon as possible to choose a man who commit you, give you a lot of comfort in your life. Your fathers in your service, your brothers love you, everybody loves you. But keep in your mind, when we not following the commandment of our Lord, the Creator, He says a woman has been given extra features into body, so man go and produce, give seeds to multiply this world. She become a mother, and then she grandmother. She will get a lot of respect. But it's not allowed a girl to wear total, very revealing clothes and try to go around. Same thing in video game when you have chosen a young character or whatever it hasn't happened here. That avatar, a digital game, which you wear something on your head, and that computer reads your brain and then create your image, and some you play with the groups, the male characters then try to do whatever is this case definitely is should never be accepted. We have already created so much fear into young males, and the men, they are not ready to marry anymore. They are not ready to take leadership role which has been given by our creator. We need to stop this. We need to find where the wrong is. Wrong is that women or the children, the girls, that you need to accept that you become a part of the family, and you stay away from those kind of characters, or present yourself as a model, or wear less clothes. That it definitely it increased desire into men, which has been authorized to have not one, two, three, four, many messengers. Joseph, Moses, Abraham, Solomon has left a message. All the holy books commanding a man so that they can multiply more. So accept this and do not accuse all the time and creating fear into society. That is very destroying societies, and young men and the boys are not ready to accept role. So we should not, as my personal opinion is, this case should be dismissed ever, and we need to talk to our daughters and sisters and mothers. Where are we going? Let's make this world peaceful and loving and kind. Let's make our houses at heaven for the men's and the sons and the boys, and give them support so they become the best journals and engineers and doctors and all kind of architectural, so many jobs they do. And let's make this world again peaceful again. Let's not accept these kind of cases. It's a very eye-opening for me, for the world also. So I hope we'll change. We'll accept role has been given to each of us. Women has given role separately. They are commanding a different way. How can you wear? How can you communicate with the person? Men has been given different role. So we have to accept so we can make this world peaceful and loving again. Okay, see you next time again. I hope we'll learn those kind of lessons that fix the societies everywhere. See you next time. Take care. Bye.